Hi, I'm Aislinn Renfro. Thank you for taking the time to consider me for this position. Today I'm going to be walking you through my case study lesson. The skill that I covered in the lesson is 4.GM.1.2, where we will be describing and classifying different quadrilaterals. In the pre-class instructional video that I provided, I will be on a geoboard that I got on brainingcamp.com. The students can get on their own geoboards at home, or they can get on toytheater.com and get a geoboard on there and walk through the lesson with me. In the pre-class lesson, we will be discussing the different attributes of a quadrilateral, and then we will be building different quadrilaterals together on our geoboard. We will discuss the different attributes of the quadrilaterals, and then at the end of the lesson, I will encourage students to go review their definitions of adjacent, congruent, and parallel before they join our in-class lesson. For our review warm-up at the beginning of our lesson, we will discuss the things that the students saw in the video. We will review the definitions, and students can use their geoboards to show me the different quadrilaterals that they were able to build. I will encourage them to share those out. In the actual lesson, I will introduce a quadrilaterals flowchart. We will talk about what it means and how to classify the different quadrilaterals. Excuse me. And then I will have actual shapes that I will share with the students and ask them to help me to classify them using the flowchart. After we have gone through the flowchart and I feel like the students understand the concept of it, then we will move on to a slideshow where we will do several problems together. Some of the problems students will be asked to sketch different quadrilaterals. Some of the problems the students will be asked to classify it. So look at the description and then tell me what it is and then draw a picture of it. At the end of our lesson, I will provide some properties of quadrilaterals that students can add to their math journals at home. They can print them off or they can draw them. And I think that this will be a good tool for them to have for reference. The exit ticket for this lesson will be an IXL lesson over classifying quadrilaterals, excuse me. Students will be asked to get 80% mastery on that lesson, and then I will ask them to send me a screenshot of their score. And then we will move on to the next lesson.